name is Ms. Molika. I am the CEO and co-founder of iCare Groups. Our mission is to improve the quality of life of the low-income people who are working in the factory workers. So those people can access to the essential goods and products through our platform. We have embedded the financial inclusion into our innovative solution where we're trying to provide the financial literacy during our session in the factory. 50% of people are working in the factory are the unbanked people and untapped markets. So we have addressed these types of challenge where we providing the affordable, accessible, and convenient for the purchasing solution to all of the workers. iCare is the breakthrough employee benefit program for low-income people. We offer the solution to all the workers to access to essential goods and products through our platform with 6-month installment and without any interest charge.